bright and early. Let's see what Herky's up to.
You're so bright.
Herky, you got to sleep with mommy? Herky has her own pillow.
Milton's here.
Milton also got to sleep with mommy.
My babies. Oh.
Herky, how'd you sleep? Did you sleep well?
He's so cute.
Herky's a big baby today.
Yeah. You're a big baby.
Herky, you didn't even bark yesterday. You happy in this room?
I'm not letting her kiss me in the mouth because she ate some shit yesterday. As always.
You're getting shit shamed, Herky. And Milton is where she's not supposed to be, which is where I put my face. Milton, is that really the place to do that? So, for breakfast, Herky and Milton are asking, not anymore, for this egg white. Herky, Milton. You guys want to try a bit of egg white? Herky, you push your sister. Look at that begging face. Yeah.
They always get to share with Dad because Dad can't say no to these. Look at that waggy tail.
You want to try this? You want to try this? Ow! Look what they did to me.
Savage.
Savage.
I'm having some almond yogurt. Yogurt is so good with some almonds, raspberries, and also gonna have a hard-boiled egg.
I'm having strawberry cream cheese. That's pretty healthy, right?
Yep.
Strawberry.
I'm sure it has a serving of fruits in there.
Herky, who's mommy? Yeah, that's mommy.
Good job, girl.
Herky, who's mommy? Who's mommy?
Who's mommy?
Yeah, that's mommy. Who's mommy? Yeah, that's mommy.
So we are headed to Brooklyn now. We had a few errands to run this morning, and we're headed to Brooklyn to eat this famous pizza place. It's called L&B Spumoni Gardens. Apparently they have one of the best pizzas in New York, so we're gonna go try that out with the girls. It's great because they have outdoor seating, which means that the girls can come eat with us, and then we're gonna go walk around in Brooklyn, take some photos, and shoot our new leashes. So yeah, very excited. Herky, you excited? Milton, you excited? No? That's not an excited place.
You can untire if you want, but we still have highway.
Two-hour drive to get to this place because apparently it's the best pizza in New York. So we're deep into Brooklyn. This is L&B Spumoni Gardens. Let's see.
Whoa. Let's put Herky on the bench so we can sniff that. The girls are down here. Wow. Girls having fun? Hmm? You girls having fun? Hello, heads. Hello, heads. You like pizza dough? Pizza, Ricky. Pizza.
You've already had too much. You've already had too much.
No, I didn't. I'm still hungry. This girl decided to be a princess. Oh, she's drooling at me through a hole. Pizza Milton?
It's like 11 p.m. already. Took us forever. I'm having a little kale salad and the girls are pooped. You're tired, baby? Yeah, you had a big day? We were in Brooklyn and she couldn't finish the walk. She felt so tired, but we're back. Saying goodnight? We're gonna go to bed now. You have to put your pajamas on.